How to get promo code for TikTok shop. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google application on your device. Go to its search bar and type promo code for TikTok shop. After that, hit the enter key. In the results, you will see a lot of websites providing you promo code for TikTok shop. Click on any one of the website, explore the coupons and offer, make sure the verified option is ticked in each offer which you want to use. Then after choose any one of it. You can either copy the code from this website or simply click on Redeem at TikTok shop to directly use it from your application. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.